love and welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch, and today I will be showing you how to sew over this pretty picot edging. Okay, so this is the Barlow Cowl. It's a pattern I've just released and it's this beautiful cowl. Great for stash busting as well. But when you've knitted it, it looks like this. So I'm going to show you how to get from this to this, and also it doesn't, when you sew it, it doesn't show through on the other side you're stitching. So let's get stuck into it. This is what I'm wanting to achieve, okay? This beautiful picot edging. It looks a bit like kind of a picket fence, but this is what you knit, okay? And it's all in the instructions how to do it, and I'm just going to show you in this little video how to sew it. So turn it to the wrong side. So this is the purl side, and thread our needle. My needle was being a bit naughty there. Okay, so we've threaded the needle and fold it over. If it helps, you can pin it because you don't want it going squiffy. Right, so there we are. I'll just secure the first one and then I will tell you what we're doing. So you're going to identify these purl loops, and if we go through those, then we won't be creating any visible stitches on the correct side, okay? So I'm going to go through the nearest loop bar, and then I'm going to catch the cast off edge of our row, or cast on edge, depends which one you're doing. For the Barlow Cowl, it is both that you fold over and sew. Just zoomed you in a bit more so you can really see those purl loops. And it's truly like magic, because if you go through that, then it will not be visible at all on the front of your work. So catch the loop. Catch the cast on edge or cast off, and then as you get to the end, just make sure it's not kind of curling in. So I'm keeping it firm, or you could pin it. It just becomes like a whip stitch then, really. Don't think too hard into it. It doesn't have to, be perfect to have the same stitch on each row that you catch. Brilliant. So I've caught all my stitches, and then if we turn it round, you can tell it's double thickness, but you can't see through where I've stitched. So there we have it. If you found this video useful, please do consider supporting us and giving us a like and subscribe. It's absolutely free. If you are interested in the Barlow Cowl, then I will put links in the description to where you can get the pattern. Take care.